to start this vlog, but I'm back with another video. It's raining. We're gonna see what we have at school, but I'm not sure. Unless I'll take it from here. But we're gonna be vlogging in school today, if that's all right. You want to hear something? There's an electric diesel that's pulling on the front and one in the back. One is pulling. It's pulling us. We have to know how many passenger cars that are in this branch line. It's that simple. I see you. Hello? It's for you, Krista. Are you okay tonight? All right, feel better. Glad you're here. Hello? It's for you, Nicole. Oh, yeah. Really?
Well, yeah, we have the same one.
Oh, is that so? Same phone, same twin, whatever you got. Isn't that good?
Yeah.
So I just got here in a hurry, got out of school, and it's raining. And now I'm on my way home by taking the train. But I got there at 4:18, but I'll take it. 9 hours, getting tired. But I'm not done yet with this vlog. But I'll be arriving home safe and sound. So I got home a few minutes ago. I'll settle now. But I'm gonna do something else for it. Thing, I forgot to say goodbye and click subscribe below. But thanks for watching.